Anyway, I don't like it here. I don't like Twitter, so I've signed out of Twitter for weeks. And anytime that I post anything to Twitter, it's through my laptop. So that takes a bit of effort. But when I'm on my phone, I don't go on Twitter. I don't go on I go on Instagram, but I only look at stuff that inspires me. I don't like it here. I think it's a cursed land. And it's not hot. So I keep to myself now. And does that mean that I'm never going to go on live and make music? No. Because that's my origins. But I think that it's still valuable.
Do we love her?
We love her.
Yeah, this is a vibe. Ooh, that wig is laid too. Go off, little mama.